Jack. Sorry. Thank you. Back to my card. You didn't mean Charlie.
I didn't mean Toto.
Next time.
She got Trotter. When he was young, because he loves animals, so he used to go in there and say, "Oh, happy birthday! I've already given you a present." Toto did her puppy training at the Stevens vet and pet club.
Questo caffè è più dolce perché è vintage nuovo.
Grazie mille.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We didn't expect it.
I did what I did last year.